Hello, teacher. I am Rosmil Rodriguez Maeda and tell you the history of the washing machine. In the early 19th century, in Western Europe, the mother and daughter tortured or after all to over the grate. In 1782, Harry Silver opened a British patent for a washing machine with a ratchet drum, and in 1862, Richard Leslie decided his pattern compact ratchet washing machine and the University exhibition in London. In 1797, Nathaniel Reed invented the scrubboard, a lever design in which clothes is rubbed vigorously by hands. 1851, Jenkins patented the beer machine to use a drum in like a motor machine, but it was on the hard train. 1874, William Bragg bought a washing machine that was designed to make it easier to use on the home. The machine consisted of the water tub in which there was pipes on one with the small water fans. Already in the 1904, electric washing machines were beginning, and also in the United States and America sold had reached 930,000 units in the 1928. The first automatic washing machine date from the beginning of the century, 1904. The first washing machine manufactured in Europe consisted of the 1951. Company like Whirlpool started the washing machine business. In 1908, Ford Machine Corporation introduced the Mighty-Thor, invented by Alva Fisher. It was a strong time machine with an electric motor and garbage bottle. The pattern for the machine was used on August 9, 1910. In 1930, John Chamberlain of British Aviation Corporation invented a machine to count the washing result and extract the water from clothes in the single operation. In 1960, the cost of the automatic machine was reduced when company began to produce double-tone washing, and this started on millions of washing machines sold. Washing RG Spirit duty 20 ton direct drive nature and power and energy to the motor with torque reduction or switcher of and on elimination and pressure band power ball chain and special purpose high torque and low regulation and increased durability as far do not wear on the engine. The result is a 10-year warranty on the entire Samsung 2020 washing machine and WF-457 can be controlled from anywhere in the house via smartphone or the tablet, thanks to a special developed application for the task. So we can start stop washing cycles, motor time, and set alerts. Additional included an 8-inch LCD touchscreen for menu view melt, a smart control system for efficient washing and water shot technology for certain cycles. Thank you.